Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. And good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. And welcome to the Voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man, YouTube channel. Yes. 6 o'clock in the morning right now. 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. You know, see it. As I say, yeah, man, big up. First and foremost, I have to big up the youth. I have to big up the sports and lifestyle family. You see it. Yeah, man, welcome me back into sports and lifestyle. Yeah, man. So, as I say, yeah, man. I'm back in my favorite chat group. Yeah, man. All of the only chat group never going to steal, you know. Yeah, man. Only chat group me ever really be a part of on a certain levels. Yes, as I say, big up the man them. You understand me? In a sports and lifestyle. You see it? As me drop in a sports and lifestyle yesterday. I see me see post sending a thing in the group. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, why me I can't believe, brother. You see when Seabird said anything in Iyah. Yeah, man. When Seabird said anything about our bold father, and I couldn't believe, you know. You know, see it. You said that me couldn't believe, brother. You know, see it. I couldn't believe me see the man father drop out there. Even yesterday evening, when time me and him, when time my son a reason. Why me and tell her, John? Why me and tell you, brother? Why even yesterday when time my son a reason, you know, and my son tell me, say, boy, he say, bolt is a man now make people know certain things, you know, brother. Because I never know say bold fathers did sick so sick in such a way, you know. Never did know Iyah. You know, see it. Yeah. I mean, tell us, boy, Jaja. You know, see it. Because the money, you know, brother. You know, see it. See the thing I me build with both, you know, back in the days, you know. You know, see it. All in the genes, you know. When both mash up, you know, see it. When both start out in thing, you know, brother. Sometimes you say, boy, Jaja, know. You say, me have a father like Bolt in my life. When I'm 12-year-old. You know, see it. Because right now, I cry for the youth of my Jamaica, you know, brother. I cry for the youth of my Jamaica, you know. All them brainwash Iyah and I, you know. And those one Iyah and I will be doctors and lawyers, you know, brother. You know, see it. I know Iyah and I live to see sportsman and woman and entertainer. They make millions of dollars out of them God-given talent what God give them. You know, see it. Yeah, man. You know, see it. Millions of money I make. Yes. You know, see it. All in the genes. You know, see it. All in the genes. You can't find a nicer man than Mr. Bolt. Than Bolt father. Nicer man you can't find. You know, see it. Kind-hearted man, and the man never pass me, and he always, because the man know me. Always greet me that smile and shake me hand and so forth. You know, see it? Because I forgot when time I do bold graduation and bold wasn't around. A bold father make a bold. You know, see it? In pictures them. Because I give the school 4 pictures in a bold package. Because back in the days, they have four pictures the graduates them get. Four by 6 pictures. Back in the days, NIP school graduating class. Never used to get no big pictures like no 8 by 10 and so forth. 4 by 6 pictures they get. I mean if you walk on the whole graduation we take you 4 by 6 pictures them. You know see it? Like When I receive them survey ticket, with them seated, when I get them special prizes, like, yeah man, them special awards, and when they got a ball, me take them. And me give me some ball. Me give the schools 4 pictures, and me give me some ball father. Some more pictures me take with Bolt. Yeah. Some more pictures me take with Bolt. Yes, because I take quite a few more pictures because Bolt take a lot of pictures in graduation. You know, see it. So we not know Bolt, we don't see them pictures there. Him father, if he's got, because Bolt they get so busy right now. You know, see it. We shared to you, we shared enough tears me shared last night, you know, brother. You know, see it. We crying, you know, brother. If you know, see the man, you know, see it. This is what the youth have got through in Jamaica, you know. What the youth have got through, you know, in Jamaica, you know. When they say youth they take the track, at the happiest time of my life. When they say youth they give me heart and soul for Jamaica. At the happiest time of my life, brother. You know, see it. I mean, I tell you, I don't know, joke. Me shed me cry last night, brother. Because my son tell me, say, I saw Bolt stay now, I'm going to know certain things. Because the man they know Bolt fan, when the money they at school. I know Usain Bolt. I know how the youth is. I know the struggle what you go through. I know everything on a certain level. That's why when time the man money missing, they might come talk about the man the bad investment. And we all know they thief the youth money. The youth put on, that's why you put on him money to help him mother and father. You know, see it, because both parents them, you know, see it, stand up behind both. You know, see it. I must have one picture this with his mother. Yes, down and so. You know, see it. Yes. Look on the man, mother and father back in the days. You know, see it, the man, you understand me? You know, see it, all in the genes. You may have a father like Usain Bolt around me. You know, see it. Yeah, man, it wasn't there for me. Because some father, when they have the money, can me say it all in with them rich and have the money, then going around, you know, see it. So I don't want to use the effort right now. I don't use the effort on this one because condolence to both family. Condolence to Usain Bolt family. You know, see it. Because it's I and a wagonist. Like some people are wagonist. Because I'm talking about Usain Bolt thing for the first part of the thing, you know. You know, see it. I talk about Usain Bolt. I'm going to touch a little thing about the reason why I fight. Yeah, man, for sports and for liberate. So youth can make a living off of sports. You understand me? Because sports is a profession. Shed tears last night, brother. I don't want to shed no more tears on the voice of Bed Miller. And I said, I'm big up myself, Antonio, for sports and lifestyle. I tell myself, if I just go on to my content name. Because sometimes I want to come off, cool off of the YouTube thing. You know, see it? I want to cool off of the YouTube thing. Cool off of the YouTube thing. Because I don't want to think something to, yeah man, you the people in behave. But I want people to know, say, brother, you know, see, condolence to Usain Bolt family, brother. Usain Bolt and his family. Because when you see the man father sick in such a way, the man father drop out. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's the main thing. That's me I start off. And that me I start off on the voice of Bed Miller this morning. That me I start off on the voice of Bed Miller this morning. Because, you know, see it. Because it will hurt thing, brother. Hurt thing if you know, you know, see it. This man have done so much for us. And what you to go through, a rough patch in their life. And then I stand solidarity with the youth. No matter what no one wants about the youth. You all know, yeah man. So that's all of me I say. You know, say condolence to Usain Bolt family. We shed tears last night. And I almost shed tears again on the voice of Bed Miller. Because I don't know You know, see it. What is a green have produced in Jamaica? It's a color green. You know, see it. Have produced some outstanding sportsman and woman. Yeah, you understand me? Yeah, you understand me? Some, this a green and purple. Me not mention green alone, the green and the purple. Yeah. Big up to the blue and gold now, big up to Stats, you know. But what is a green and purple have produced some outstanding sportsman and woman, some brilliant scholars. You know, see it? Some brilliant scholars, brother. You know, see it? And I'm preach no politics, you know, brother. You understand me? A lot of outstanding, educated sons and daughters, you know, come out of the green and purple, you know. Ignorance, enslaved, knowledge, liberate. Yes, Iyah. So I got to show you know, I got to draw some things right now. You know, see. And tell you know, see. Yeah, man. This is a man at Shanavan de Souza. Used to mark CXC papers. You know, see it. Yeah, man. A student athlete, good at football. Yeah, man. Shanavan de Souza. Bright, you know, see it. Bright youth, this one. But them they are school. Yes. Shanavan de Souza are the principal of Proton Academy. You know, see it. And Shanavan de Souza support the people's England. Everybody know that. Because you don't want to be councillor. Sean de Souza support the People's National Party. Support PMP. Educated man, the man and the man of the education, they're not educated fools. You see when my principal, Mr. Fallon, tell me when time they want the first NIP school they want a property because they want to expand, you know, see it. And they want the land and all the government back in the time there, you know, see it there. Yes, you understand, they drag them feet. I drag them feet. And when time change the government in 1972 when the government changed and so forth, and in link, you see it. And Mr. Desmond Leakey, full speed ahead, get the land, where the President Nip School location upon right now, get the property for them. And Michael Manley build the William Nip Memorial High School. You see me a stutter because I stammer. If you feel say when I pass pan the word because that's what I stammer, I can't talk so fluently, you know. But tell me say Michael Manley build Nib in the 19, yeah man. So the same Michael Manley, but the no present Prime Minister say have destroyed Jamaica in the 1970s. So I want all of the NIP school kids to know say all the NIP school student, both student athlete and all the guy NIP right now. NIP school was built by Michael Manley. You see it? Yeah man, the MP, Mark Leakey, son used to go NIP. Yes. That's the time of the lecture when Mr. Fallon talk about Mr. Desmond Leakey. You know, see it. And Mark when did it. I want to know, on a younger generation, because they want to control the mind of the people. On a younger generation, if you know, say, you know, see it. Both political parties have the them thing in Jamaica. One of them build schools and so forth. But the People's National Party supposed to build more schools than the Jamaica Labour Party. You know, see it. And then build more training something there. Training trade place building what schools of teach empower the youth them with skill. Because back in the days, in the 70s, when you left high school and you don't, if you know, academic wise, you know, will achieve a lot, you can go to a training center. Yeah, you all can start with a training center. With the present art academy right now, pan the street there. What the street the name? Tab Street. Yeah man, Tab Street. That was the training center. And when the Jamaica Labour Party in 1980, then turn the training center in our Nutribon factory. Turn the training center in our Nutribon factory. We know all of that. You know, see? That's why when time used to go up and you say, Buster Man did say, selfish better than education. I really true. Buster Man didn't make them speech because how they can turn a training center in our Nutribon factory. And when PMP win back, PMP put it back in our, then, you understand me? Then put it back in our training center the same way. Until it now become art. Till it now become art. You know, see? Yes. So me now preach politics, me preach the liberation of the youth them, education wise. You know, see it? Okay. So me talk about this man that come out on it. Brilliant, educated youth. A PMP. This man here. Yeah man. You might hear me always call something there. Yeah man. I call me son Linval right. The principal and Nib. I call him Victor right. Even yesterday. I call him Victor right. The principal, the student, all the Nib school student, you know see. You know principal. You know see, the principal and Nib. Let me say only you know patois you know, and on disrespect speech. But your principal, you know see, see him brother ya. See him brother ya Victor right. Past student and Nib same way. You used to go Nib same way. Yeah man. Educated youth same way. Brilliant youth same way. A farmer, you know see it. MP, you know see it. With the People's National Party. Yes. This man have done a lot for Trelawney. Yes. This man I love sports. He do a lot for sports. Because my thing is all about sport, you know. Mr. Victor Wright, because I am reason. He's a control football team and answer football team. You know see it? This is a Nib school present principal. Brother, I know say, you know see, blood thicker than water. So I never go further. I have to make you know. You know see it. Because these are some brothers who stand up for each other. Because I figured 2022 when Nib school reach second round. They play the interzone round. And Nib have match a Land Island and Westmoreland. After this Nib school travel down early. And a film yard. Film Mr. Victor Wright yard. The players them cool out before them journey down to Land Island. This man a lose the last general election. Not because of his performance. But because of the people them sell out. Sell out. That's why I say, come and tell us something, Mr. Wickham McNeil. Come and tell us something. Because people that chat say you mean, you know. But Mr. Wickham McNeil, don't take your money, give them the way they anyway. Implement plan for them can benefit and fight. All of them people that want to give them money. And the politician, MP people, member of parliament, the politician, where they go and buy out the people them. They buy vote. And if you stop it, brother. Stop by the votes them. Because last time I watched me tell live and I made my interview some people. Because they have a serious on the tell live, you know. But they buying a voting thing, you know. You know, see it. I mean, some people say what money run 2020. What amount of money run 2020? Amount of vote them buy. Because the two party them do it, you know. But me know say the last election at that adapt the JLP though. And turn the place green. So the people in attendance, if you want money, when we stop buy vote, brother, both PMP and GLP, when we stop the vote buying business, brother. And when the people, they want people, if you don't want to get money, you don't vote, you don't need to go away. You don't need to go work. You don't need to go work, brother. When you cannot sell the vote for your 3,000 and 5,000 in a seat, and 15,000 and 20,000 for what? And the next 5 years, they suffer. Eh? And who no see a man sell out Christ, you know? Who no see a man sell out the Son of God, you know? You know, see it? Most of them know him as Jesus. Some people don't want to call him Jesus again because of certain reasons. But me call him Jesus the same way. Who no see a man sell out Jesus? That's why who no see him when I choose Barabbas over Bolt. Who no see a man I choose Barabbas over Bolt because no sell out. On the leaders, a weak politician buy vote. I'm going to stop by the people and vote my vote. But then go work with her. Me not sell out my vote, you know. Me never, because I say, this a man, me never beg Victor Wright nothing yet, you know. Me never beg Victor Wright nothing, me never beg Victor Wright, Atkinson, Bull. Then time me young, you know, see it. When me used to beg, sit on the roadside and beg. Me never beg Desmond Leakey nothing. Yes, me used to beg his son, Tony Leakey. When me just sit on the roadside and I'm begging, you know. This a local youth, you know, so you know me, you know. My father, richest man, at Chilani, I'm just sit on the roadside and beg. Tony Leakey and the man there, and D. White and the man, me so hustle me money. Me also did that. Me no shame of where I come from. You can't talk about me say, me don't call them other man name, because some man go like they are firing on man. No one knows say just sit on the roadside and beg. Me just sit on the roadside and beg. Sit on the Charles Plaza. The internet supermarket when they cross the road. You see it? And hustle my money. And me go down at Mr. Chin go buy me cocoa bread and me patty. And go down a handle. Sometimes I couldn't buy all drinks. If I go down a handle, go mix me sugar and water. And go to Baptist church, go sit down and in a seat and in a seat and have me lunch. Yes. In a seat. All through my high school days life. When I there in NIP school. Before I go in NIP school I'm out of me there, yes. I used to beg. Yes. So I tell you about say, oh. As I say, that's why I tell the man. That's why I just go through one thing quick, you know, for making them know. Say this is a man. Yeah, man. And if school principal, brother, and blood thicker than water. I just show the man and come out and say nothing at all. But we know the man stand up for principle, integrity. That's why Mr. Wright come out and burn out what they go on something there. Down at St. James because of politics. The principal and the chairman can't pull together. A peer politics they are pushing in schools them. Peer politics. You know see it? They are pushing in schools them. Yes. Peer that they are push. That they are pushing a bag school right now. So when time now Mr. Fix where I can with daughter come out and a ring bell. And she had the chairman for Barrack School. Yeah, man. She had the chairman for Barrack School. And she had over Hamilton campaign. Manager and so forth. And I want to tell them, so me talk about it yesterday, I want to talk about it again. You know, see it? It's a shame and disgrace. You see how Barrack School feels there. I don't know how much they come in the DA Sports yesterday. But it's a shame and disgrace. Who know one Barrack School? Because you have a playground and on the sports day, the playground prepare. From last year, TJ not playing no football. The kids in my Barrack School from with all age don't play no football. Put a playground near beside them. And the Prime Minister and in the seat, and the minister of sports, their national stadium, the chairman Messi, who start play football from 4-year-old. And in disgraceful condition, in the seat. The disgraceful condition at the playground of Machulani. And that me shared to you this morning. When I see the fastest, this man come from Chulani, the fastest man. You see it? Because I'm going to show you one other thing. You see it? See there? Me go click on it. See there? Me I show you the headline. When you see it? Chulani Municipal Corporation to stage run walk to fund chicken rearing project. When you see it? Me read it slow. Reason me that slow reader. Because me slow of speech. Yes. See it here. Gager. In a seat. And Falmo chickens. In a seat. Gager and Falmo chickens. This is a platinum sponsor. And that me want the world to know. In a seat. One Mr. Gager call the people the money for Fido. Eh? In call the people the money last year October, you know. For build fowl farm on Falmouth Center, you know. A fowl farm beside in film project, you know. A film project that, you know. Yes, man. You come off. Alright. Say that. See it here. See it here. Me not go through it because we talk about it already. Me I show you the caption. And we have surely me budget never get by this thing from me now. Because they take it off of the medium. Me want to know what Gager call the people the money for do. Eh? Because Gager get big. It was so it was so of a success. Yeah, man. Because Gager make a lot of money. Yeah, man. Very successful. Yeah. Can talk about it. Read the article. You know, see it. We can send the article to you who want the article. We can share the article and see what it was all about. A fowl farm, a youth center. It's a youth center, you know. And you put fowl farm on a youth center. You know, see, the same youth center Kimani Mali want build a sports complex pan. And no one come tell me bull crap. Eh? Eh? So me I tell the comrades, parent them, in a seat. When kids that take part in a bar school sports. In a seat. Make the house remain as purple. Mr. Tova Hamilton in a seat. Miss Tova Hamilton. Come in and styling now, you know. Me call her Miss Tova Hamilton. You need to stop. Push the politics. In a barrack school. You hear me, lady? Eh? Because you come in a power, you take out the orange house and put in the purple house. We never have a problem with that. Because, no. Yeah, but you take out the orange house and put in the purple house. We never have a problem with that. Because probably orange should not in the first place. But you come and you change it. Nothing wrong with that. But why Miss Tova Hamilton, why you put in body, why you take out the purple now? Why you take out the purple? Why you take out the purple now, Tova? And you put in green. Why? Why the house can remain as purple same way? Why election, you know, you put in green? Eh? And that's why uno get with a Rosie. Because I know Rosie, you know. Rosie was a past student at NIP, you know. Because Rosie is sign check, you know, at Barrack School, you know. Because when I work for Barrack School, you know, I Rosie sign me check. With the Rosie sign check, I can't get no money, you know. I Rosie will sign the check them. On the fight out Rosie and put in Fitzroy Campbell data. You understand me? In a seat. Yes. And now push the politics in the school. You can't push the politics amongst the little youth them. The house remain as purpose same way. And come with me tell you, so, you too weak, you too soft, down here, so. You too soft. You don't make the kids them run. If the kids them now run on the purple out, if purple in the house, you don't make the kids them take part in the sports there. Even if you boycott it and protest against it. That's when they got on day sports yesterday, no. Because Bible school sports thing is a shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace. You see how the condition of Bible school stay. The worst in the Bible school history. Because they don't love sports better. You know, see it? Chuck sometime half an hour. Let me go continue. When me go close, me go close on the wall and show up this man. Basil weight. This man Basil weight. Me close by because I make some inquiry. Can me go continue? Basil weight. This man. Me know if it was me one PMP, if it was an MP hour, but in the used to run. Me never still run this year. This election, but this man, Mr. Basil weight. The man put on the biggest night corner league football in a Western Jamaica. I know I am in friend them, in PNP friend them still running the biggest night football ever you can see in a Jamaica. Start by this man, Mr. Basil weight. Him starting. Because I go there and I see. I don't want to hear it in a final. In a seat. A chronic law when guest artists down there. Me alone go down there, but those two, me not even see it until it over. In a seat. When Asian decided winning. I know last year, because I never go last year, the year before that. A chronic law was guest performer down there. This is when I put on the biggest night football league where people sit down under the lights and watch football. Biggest in a Western Jamaica. Not no big like Santa. Night football league a year time. And I prepare myself this year because I go down there. I go down there. That's why sometimes I want to move, go back to Elizabeth. Yeah, man, I want to move, go back to Elizabeth. Near to State Sports Complex. Yeah, man. When me get my car, because if you see me now, when I watch me now, pre me. So who say bed a long time to take picture? Me have my car, people. You know, see it? Me no buy no car for my son it. Because I go buy a BMW for my son. Because I know my son give me no BMW. Because I'm not doing business. If you want, just give me for me want buy from him. They can go give me a good price. Because I want father and push on my son. Because no fun to chat a bag of things, but my son I running busy, I want be a man and buy a car for my son. I'm going to buy a BMW. BMW. B for bed. M for Miller. And W for wagon. I have to own a BMW. I mean, I drive my BMW neither. I go cock up my foot on dashboard and my woman go drive my BMW. I start out with a Honda card. Because me and my woman go travel in a one card. Like how Jesus apostle them, you to travel in a one card. And build a life and build a foundation. I start out my birth in Honda card. The same Honda card where me and Tony traveling now. And when States win Dakar stack up 2015, and that me and Tony traveling in a one card, in a Honda card. The reason why I don't see it yet, because it's a Duke in a orange. Because I don't want it in a silver, I want it in a orange. Michael Manley pick the one in car in a orange. And if we do, when we start up my house, on the levels, in a seat. Harley, inside of the house, I go orange color. All outside too. Because the 66 Duke Street, I never so good know where I get. All of me go I want to build back a boy as a same thing, but I just going to live. The only thing in life on 66 Duke Street, you know. At the 66. Only thing in life. Yes. Pan my yard gate. At 66. Because I'm a man who born 6. I'm a 7 man. Yes. So all I want to talk about 60 and 60. I read my Bible and know what is 7 is. 7 is God's perfect number. In the seed. That's why I'm born the 7th month. The 21st of the 7th month. In the seed. 7 into 20, 21. You get 3. The Trinity. The Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. Yeah, man. So, as what I say, in the seed. Mr. Over Hamilton, you need to stop push the politics among the little children them. Stop push the politics among the little children them. That's why Mr. Over Hamilton, that's why when you push your politics and you beautify the place last year. You see you beautify, you cut the place, you cut park field last year, plant up palm tree and all them in the seed. All on the roadside cut, plant up flowers on the roadside, see me. And because you lose, the farmer division, you can't beat guard, you can never win a Falmouth. Mr. Over Hamilton, you cannot win the council, the Falmouth council seat. You cannot win the councillor seat of Falmouth. No matter what you do. So Mr. Over Hamilton, you understand that. You cut the palm fee so good last year, why never did maintain it? You leave it same way because you lose. You have change your ways, miss. The people must afraid of you, afraid of you, know. Yes. Because when Michael Manley run, when Michael Manley and Desmond Leak them run Falmouth, you never did born yet. And when Michael Manley run Jamaica, Andrew owns a shit up in Nappy, and Andrew owns a piece up and a shit up in Nappy, Andrew owns don't know nothing at all about Michael Manley. Michael Manley was so great, and he's still great, see me. That's my father named him Andrew Michael Onlys. In the seat. So, oh, the copy, if you be like the original, you can't be like the original, brother. So people, on the stop me the people them tricking and fooling up. And comrades, on the door, make them pick the way on green. Make them with the purple. Make the people them with the purple. And Christine, and all the comrades, parents, who need to stand up for the rights, brother. Because I'm not going to go back to bicycle again, you know. I don't put my foot at barracks from bicycle playground until changes come. Until changes come. So, right now, I'm tune out right now. You know, see, because I know nobody now to listen to the voice of bed me. But I don't give a damn. I don't beg nobody to subscribe to my channel. Because I'm not begging them, I like begging them. Who want to subscribe? I got 1,000 subscribers already. So I just go and look money on YouTube. Because I don't talk no bag of crap. Forget no, you know. I don't comment between nobody. Who want comment? Because I don't the voice when I go here. Just the voice of bed when I go here. Because I'm not afraid of nobody. I'm not afraid of who can, chow. My general, I shed tears last night, and I must shed tears this morning. You are the only, you are the living national hero of Jamaica. But Iyah get it, she get it at Barbados. The Prime Minister of Barbados give Iyah the national, the highest honor in our country. And you still alive, see me. You have done a lot for Jamaica. You know, see, but my general, if them crucify Christ, look what Christ have done. And he crucified Christ. Look what Christ have done. And he chose Barabbas over Christ. So my general, what you expect from them people? Them set of people are the same set of people who crucified Jesus Christ. Them set of people here. Who they run up and down back of the devil. But the whole of them, you know, say, I forgot answer to God. You hear me, bolt? Just keep the faith, my general. You know, say, yeah, man. Because no matter what, you have to show up on your father funeral. Because both, if if me did have a father like your father, when me was the best footballer, then can't take that from me. Both them can't take that from me, both. You know, see it? That's why sometimes I know you have to talk about, you know. You know, see it? Because nobody can stop me from wearing green. This is a perfect green and a perfect purple. Great sportsman and woman and educated people have come out of ignorance, enslaved, knowledge, liberate. The greatest motto, high school motto, ignorance, enslaved. And the next greatest high school motto is work and integrity. But we can't put the hard work. We have to work hard and integrity. Man, too loud, my to them. Big up yourself, general. Big up yourself, general. Big up yourself, Suko. Big up yourself, Suko. And big up yourself, sports and lifestyle family. You know, see it? Sports and lifestyle family have made me the person I am today. 40 minutes, me I go. Sometimes I can go 40 minutes. Yeah, man, because Jesus, we fast for 40 days and 40 nights. Moses did up on the mountain for 40 days and 40 nights. The children of Israel wandered through the desert in a seat for 40 years. Yes, in a seat. And when Moses at 40, Moses lead the people, the people lead the Israelites out of Egypt. And he wandered for 40 years. Yes. In the wilderness because of disobedience. They go say the general. You're the only living hero. You're the greatest man since Michael Manley, Bob Marley, in a seat, and Marcus Garvey, and Miss Lou. Because it's a chat bad man, yeah. Chatting patois. Because I come from Africa, I come from England. Africa I come from. I am descendant of Africa. So we don't know the true language. The English of the English. So, we go say the general. You know, see. 42 minutes now. I'm going to tune out now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And big up to all article friends. All article friends and true friends of sports and lifestyle. And thank you for welcoming back in sports and lifestyle. I say go. Let me say all article friends. My true friends in sports and lifestyle. Because I don't come to sports and lifestyle again. You know. I just want to build and ease and chill. I mean, no political argument in sports and lifestyle, no, brother. I fight for your cause. I fight for your cause, brother. This little youth here will go up in poverty. Never turn to crime. Come out of poverty. Big up yourself, Mr. All. Big up yourself, my father, Mr. All. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Picture says 1,000 words.